Hi guys, it's me Chelsea. I am the creator of Blissfully Bubbly, the wellness and lifestyle blog that was created to help you find your bliss through non-toxic living and healthy lifestyle changes. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my most requested videos, which is my everyday curling style that I do for my hair. So pretty much I'm just going to jump right in and get started for you guys. What we're going to do for this style is you're going to take your hair, split it down the back just in half, and then you are going to push all the hair to the front. If you have short hair, you could probably leave it in the back, but this is just easier for me because my hair is so long. And then I'm going to start by taking very small sections like this, and I'm going to take the Remington curling iron. It's a 1.5 wand that slopes down. I pretty much always curl away from my face and I focus just on the ends of my hair. And I literally just wrap it around, tap it a little bit till I can feel that it's a little bit warm. And then I release. You'll have this little curl just on the ends. And then I just take that and throw it in the back, and then I go all the way around the hair. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so after you go around and you curl all the hair, I pull it back forward and this is what it should look like. So it's just curled on the ends and it's nice and loose and kind of like some beachy waves. I leave it like this for a little bit, and now I'm just going to focus on how I curl the front part of my hair. So pretty much I have a bunch of little layers, so I take some of these front pieces and now I'm going to curl higher up. And I go halfway down on my wand and I just concentrate on curling these a little bit and always away from the face because it helps create more of like a loose wave. And then these little bangs are tricky. And I kind of just curl the ends of them and I just go back and forth a little bit, and it helps just kind of push them out and away like that. Then I go to the other side and I do the same thing. I have little bangs up here kind of pushed in with this, and I'm just going to go on the edge, kind of curl and let loose, and it helps just create some movement up by the face. And then I might also curl this little piece. I kind of just concentrate on pieces around the face and just do some added in curls around the face. And this just kind of helps create more of a completed look from the front. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. If I can put my curling iron down without dropping it. And so pretty much that is the final look of my everyday kind of curl hairstyle. It's a little bit updated, takes a little bit longer than my normal one, but that total probably only took about 10 minutes. And I'll show you guys from the back. So this is the back. And it's kind of just like a nice look, very romantic, loose. It does continue to fall. I don't put any hairspray in my hair. I genuinely just like the way it feels and kind of the softness of the curls and stuff. It falls, but it pretty much will stay into a wave shape through the day. You can normally wear this for like 2-3 days depending on how well your hair holds a curl. But yeah, this is my everyday curl look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye!